Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read shiro or haku in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means white. It has 5 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like haku. On its own, it is usually shiro. A single ray of sunlight, pure and white. Now, let's write it. 5 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Shiroi, shiroi means white. Omoshiroi, omoshiroi means interesting. And shirakujin, hakujin means white person. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Hyaku read hyaku, 100. Nichi read he, sun. Notice the small differences. So, that's shia, white. 5 strokes, read shiro or haku. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.